Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video I'm doing a hair tutorial and it's gonna be a really dope ponytail. Um, so I started out with using the 24-hour edge control and Gorilla Glue or Gorilla Snot to lay down my edges, and my hair is actually a old flat iron, so that's why I decided to go ahead and do this style, because I didn't have to do any extra work to try to get my hair straighter to lay down. So I'm just doing it from an old flat iron, and I'm using both of these products on my edges to basically lay it down more securely, and I don't want to use anything wet to lay my hair down, because my hair is already in a straighter texture. So I literally just put the product all over my edges and then brush it up and secure it into a tight enough ponytail. It doesn't have to be too tight, just secure enough basically. And then I'll go ahead and put my little head wrap on so that my edges are laid while I do the rest of the ponytail. So to braid my hair, I'll actually be using some old braid hair that I did. I did like some cornrows for like a day, and I took them out the next day, so I saved the braiding hair I had. So that's why it's already like crinkly. But I'm gonna use this hair, and it's just regular Kanekalon, and I'll just be wrapping it around that ponytail and creating 3 little parts so that I can braid all the way down. Now you can make the braid as long as you want. Being that my braid was this long, it made my ponytail so long, just because I'm wrapping the weave around the braid. So I'm taking some hair glue and just putting that on the weave, and then I'll be basically gluing it onto the braid and wrapping it up the braid all the way. And this hair I got, it's like some leftover hair that I had from doing like tracks in my hair from a while ago. So I'm just reusing that same hair, and it's like a body wave texture. So I'll just be putting some glue on the track, wrapping it around, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer to secure it. Now, as I'm doing this style on my head, of course, Nyla is sitting there watching me do like every move. So she ended up coming to help me once I got to the middle where it was a little harder for me to see. So I did have to like get a little mirror so that I'd be able to see exactly what I was doing. But I was just having her hold the dryer, the blow dryer, in a certain place so that it would dry as I wrapped the weave around. And here I'm just starting with a new track to wrap up the rest of the ponytail just because I ran out of the hair, and then towards the top basically. So I'm just doing this same process all the way until I get to the top of the ponytail. Honestly, one of the reasons why I do not trip about hair glue is because it's almost like rubbery and it really just comes off like elasticy. So I'm like, I took off that glue I got on my forehead shortly after I finished blow drying this part of my ponytail, but I just got to the top and then wrapped a little extra around so that I would be able to just wrap some excess hair around. This like helped to cover up the tracks that were at the top and where the ponytail started. Okay, see you popping now. But yeah, I just took like a little bit of hair out of the ponytail, wrapped it around the base so that you can't really see anything, and you can secure it with a bobby pin. I kind of just wrapped it and tucked it, but you're more than welcome to secure it. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This ponytail is so long, like it's to my knees. It's crazy. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.